Hello friends, Assalamu-Alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Learn English with Oneza. Let's read and learn Oxford Modern English, third edition for grade 1. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Unit 6, Part 2. The Earth is Round. Complete poem. Urdu translation and solved exercise. The earth is round. A frog is sitting on a log. Standing near is a shaggy dog. Bow wow, says the dog, bow wow to you. And the frog says, how do you do? If you like, says the dog, come with me. Have a ride on my back for free. We walk and talk and travel for no need for plane, train, boat, or car. How nice is the frog, for I have heard from a dear friend of mine, a bird, that the earth is not flat but round, and the sky never meets the ground. So off they go for a whole day. The ride's fun, I'm happy to say, and they find that the earth is round. The sky never touches the ground. Words to know: shaggy,
घने बालों वाला,
ride,
सवारी,
frog,
मेंढक,
log,
सन्ना, लट्टा,
talk,
बात,
travel,
सफर,
boat,
कश्ती,
earth,
जमीन,
sky.
आसमान.
Translation: The earth is round.
जमीन गोल है.
A frog is sitting on a log. Standing near is a shaggy dog.
एक मेंढक तन्ने के ऊपर बैठा हुआ है. उसके करीब एक घने बालों वाला कुत्ता खड़ा है.
Bow wow, says the dog. Bow wow to you. And the frog says, how do you do?
बाव वाव कुत्ता कहता है, हेलो मेंढक. और मेंढक कहता है, आप कैसे हो?
If you like, says the dog, come with me. Have a ride on my back for free.
अगर आप पसंद करते हो, कुत्ता कहता है, तो मेरे साथ आओ, मेरे पुष्प पर सवारी करो मुफ्त में.
We will walk and talk and travel far. No need for plane, train, boat or car.
हम चहलकदमी और बातें करेंगे और दूर निकल जाएंगे. हमें किसी जहाज, ट्रेन, कश्ती या कार की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
How nice, says the frog, for I have heard from a dear friend of mine, a bird,
कितना उम्दा, मेंढक कहता है, लेकिन मैंने सुना है मेरे एक प्यारे दोस्त परिंदे से
that the earth is not flat but round, and the sky never meets the ground.
कि ज़मीन चिपटी नहीं बल्कि गोल है और आसमान ज़मीन के साथ कभी नहीं मिलता.
So off they go for a whole day. The ride's fun, I'm happy to say.
बस वो चले जाते हैं पूरे दिन के लिए. सवारी बहुत मज़े की है, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ.
And they find that the earth is round. The sky never touches the ground.
उन्हें पता चल गया कि ज़मीन गोल है और आसमान कभी ज़मीन को नहीं छूता.
Exercises. A. Understanding the poem. 1. Talk about the following with your teacher and then write the answers. Is the dog kind? In what ways is he kind? Yes, the dog is kind. He rides the frog on his back for free. Is the earth flat or round? The earth is round. 2. Answer the following questions. In the poem, where does the frog sit? The frog sits on a log. Is the dog furry? Yes, the dog is furry. Do they go by car? No, they don't. How long do they go for? For whole the day. B. Working with words. 1. Find words with the opposite meaning in the poem. Come, go, sad, happy, always, never, near, far, night, day. 2. Make sentences using the words given above and the opposite words you have found. Come, he will come tomorrow. Sad, he is very sad because he couldn't pass. Always, always tell the truth. Near, his house is near to my house. Night, tomorrow night I will travel to Lahore. Go, he will go on Friday. Happy, he is very happy today. Never, I have never seen a zoo. Far, he lives far away from town. Day, one day I saw a fox on the road. See, learning about a language. Naming words. Find 5 naming words for things and 2 naming words for people. Mrs. Shahid and Mr. Shahid have a cat. They do not have a dog. The cat is small. It is called Bubbles. It plays with a ball. It likes milk. Name of things: cat, dog, bubbles, ball, milk. Name of people: Mrs. Shahid, Mr. Shahid. D. Activity 1. Work in pairs. One of you speak the part of the dog, the other the frog. What will you say to each other? Example: bow wow to you. How do you do? To pair up with a classmate. One of you will ask to borrow something from the other. Start by introducing yourself and greeting them. Wait for your turn before speaking. Do this activity in class. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos.